Coming Forth by Day comes from the Egyptian Book of the Dead. I've been reading various like Afrocentric scholars, and it's come across through various meaning that the actual name for the Egyptian Book of the Day is the Book of Coming Forth by Day, or the Book of Enlightenment. And to me, it just like really resonated in the sense that the number of days that we have here are like very limited, and that each day has the potentiality for us to become transformed.
The exhibition is really about, I think, a great culmination of his practice. You see a lot of ceramic sculptures. In essence, the idea behind Coming Forth by Day is to understand how, we all are somewhat coming from the same place.
Ultimately, I hope that the art just acts as like a vehicle or a conduit, for folks to feel like they're in their body. The objects in this space aren't necessarily something to like merely be looked at, but almost like a reflection, in the sense where, hopefully when you walk around the space and you walk around the objects, you feel like the immersive experience, you just feel like you're in your body. And just to take a moment of time to acknowledge that, acknowledge your breath, acknowledge your existence, and hopefully the space kind of like slows you down in a bit, and all the elements of the exhibition, hopefully that encourages a bit of slower looking.